How's it going again, everybody? My name is Ronnie or Xibalba, and today I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. And what this video is going to be is it's a little video that I recorded like a week ago with both of my parents and my cousin when she was here visiting. And this video is just of my mom going ahead and listening to some 3D sound. I don't know the exact name of it, but I'll leave the exact link to the same sound that my mom listened to down in the description below. So if you guys want to go ahead and listen to it for yourself, click that top link. It will be the top link in the description. So without further ado, I'll let you guys listen to the whole video and I'll talk to you guys at the end.
What the heck? Time. Stop!
Mom! She lasted for 2 minutes and 24 seconds.
Longer than your dad?
No, my dad lasted 3.
Oh.
I started laughing. I feel that
I know.
It was so close.
Oh my
Pero
god.
no llegaste a start laughing. I feel like I was laughing.
Yeah, me
Where is
too.
the laugh? It's not laughing.
Yeah, they were laughing and you're like, it's...
Maybe someone
they're-
screaming. Like it was screaming in there. Like a... But then the two girls come to you.
Yeah.
I don't know, girl. I don't know.
If I'm gonna put this on
But this one is
YouTube,
so
I gotta put a
close.
warning because Mom, you yelled. You yelled.
That one right there is the one that makes this. And then when they're screaming, because someone's screaming and screaming,
Let me see mine.
it makes you scream.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. And also, if you guys want to see more of these, go ahead and, once again, hit the like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
I'm at an all-time